It is New Year's in Curaçao and I'm about to experience one of the many fireworks shows. Ready? Let's go.
Hi, I'm Shadia. Exploring Curaçao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around. Traveling is all about experiencing different cultures. If you're ringing in the New Year's in Curaçao, you have to experience the different fireworks shows. New Year's on the island is known for its display of fireworks, whether it be individuals lighting them in their backyard, businesses lighting firecrackers, or a complete fireworks show. A lot of these shows happen before New Year's Eve. That is when fireworks shops display what they sell and large businesses celebrate the year past. To find out more about when the shows are happening, just click the link below. Each show starts with firecrackers or pagara in Papiamento. This serves as a signal to the fireworks show that is about to start. Different colors light up the sky right after. I will give you a second to enjoy what happened in 2013. The only challenge to seeing these fireworks is the traffic surrounding it. With a little bit of patience, it will clear up. I can guarantee that it's definitely worth the experience. New Year's might have just passed, but maybe it can be your resolution to spend it in Curaçao this year.